So anyway, when I have to have it, this is God and you and Simo, he's a silly cat, and I have to have a tarantula, and look at the tarantula. It's pretty silly.
You got a tarantula?
Yeah, this is silly tarantula, and he has to go where the place where he was hanging. He was making an egg sack.
What are you eating?
Pink ice cream.
What color?
Pink.
It's dripping. On the other side. Good job. Is it almost your birthday? How old are you going to be?
5.
5. You going to go to kindergarten?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Can you spell Julia?
Yep. Julia.
How'd you spell your name?
Julia.
Cool. What'd you have for lunch?
Beans.
Were they good?
Yep, and there were some beans, musical beans. They made me puff a lot. So, time up. Ew. Whoa. Uh-oh.
Napkin?
See, that was a close one. Right, camel? And see this kitty? Oh, just get away from the camel. Silly Mo. Want to see his tush? Has a crystal. See it?
Oh, beautiful.
Thanks.
How's the ice cream?
Good.
Pretty yummy?
So,
Say bye to the camera.
my mom has another lump on her back, and now it's gone.
Oh, good.
Yeah, phew. I thought it was still there. Today it was gone. Blah, blah, blah.
Capiche?